Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need pink, black, and white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and 2 pieces of string that measure about 16 inches. You're going to start with one of your strings and you're going to put pink on both sides, white that goes through both, pink on each side, pink that goes through both, pink on each side, pink that goes through both, pink on each side, white that goes through both, and pink on each side. You're going to hold this one and pull the other string. You're going to make this tight and then tie it. You'll cut the small end off. You're going to put your needle on, and we're going to go through this pink. We're going to add pink, flip it over. This row will be pink. We're going to go down these 2 pink, up this one, and then down this one. We're going to add a black and a white and a black. Flip this over. We're going to add pink, a white, another white, and a pink. We're going to go down this pink bead and then up this one. Set that over there. Now we're going to get our other piece of string. We're going to add pink on both sides, pink that goes through both, pink on each side, white that goes through both, pink, hot pink on one side, white on the other, white that goes through both, pink on each side, pink that goes through both, and pink on each side. We're going to hold this and pull the other string. Well, it got twisted here. There we go. Tie this. You're going to cut this off. We're going to put our needle on, and we're going to go through this pink. This whole row will be pink. Okay, we're going to go down these 2, down this one, Then we're going to go up these two and then down this one. Flip it over. This row will be pink. Okay, this time we're going to go through both of these. So that's what it looks like. You're going to flip it over and go through this pink bead. And then we're going to get the other side. And we need to weave these together. So we'll go back and forth. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and pull this tight. Now we're going to go, let's go down all three of these. Up this one. And up this one. Now we can tie these two together. Then you can just tuck your little knot in there. Okay, that's what it looks like. You can put this on a necklace or a bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.